Here's my second video of my sister's eraser collection, Japanese eraser collection. Here we got animals, penguins, frog, weird looking dog, fish without its nose. Dang it, it blanked out again. Okay. Hamster. We have a golf set, driver, iron putter, a police car, ambulance, I don't know really. We have a pot and a ladle, I guess, or spoon. And here we have food, here soda, ramen, Japanese sushi, sandwich, hot dog that looks wrong, and this box thing. And here we have an extra strawberry tart thing if anybody wants it. Okay, thanks for watching, and please comment.